So I've been sent this little gadget. Again, I'm trying to be one of those people where I'll only accept things that I really need in the van and all that sort of stuff. So I have a big Hoover which I can plug into my inverter and all that sort of stuff, but I also wanted something that is just portable, handy, and so on. I have looked at some of having something like this for a while, especially for like the cab, or when you're doing your electrics and all that sort of stuff, something portable that you can just clean up after yourself. And I got an email the other day off a company that wanted to send me like this little portable vacuum cleaner. So yeah, it's I read the reviews, it seems all right on Amazon, so it's worth a shot, I guess, to see what it's like. It comes with a storage bag, it's USB chargeable, has a couple of tools and all that sort of stuff. Operating time on low power 30 minutes, on high power 15 minutes, charge time 3.5 hours. So that's what it comes in. I think this is blue. I did ask them for black, but they didn't have any at the time, so we'll have a look, see what it's like. As always, it comes with, like, inside the packaging, the people who make it, Minthouz. So it comes with all their details and all that sort of stuff, a little warranty card and a quick start guide and all that sort of stuff. So inside the box, pretty much basic, it's just a box, but that don't go there. That is the mini Hoover. What else comes inside the box? So you get a number of little, I guess that's the filter or something. Little bag for it. I say there's no charging cable, but there is hidden in the depths of the box a little USB charging cable. So if you look inside, up into here, you know it's coming out, and that's just like a blower. Pressing speed. That's your filter inside, so you get a spare one with these, and that just sits inside there. Empty that is like so, remove this is like so, and you can shorten this as well, and that's like an extension part, so it's pretty cool. So that will just sit in the front in the cab with me for any little spillages. This is actually, apart from the top pouring off, it's actually picking stuff up. And that was on the low speed. I actually sound surprised. It's actually quite good. As you can see inside there where it's picked up crap, and that's actually just I actually like it. I'm not just saying that. You can see in there all the crap that it's picking up, and that's just on the low speed. So if you did that on a like not gonna lie, it was pretty addictive. I'm not gonna lie, this is very, very addictive. So that is like a little portable vacuum cleaner, Minthouz house, whatever it's called, that I've been sent. So I will leave a product link, all that sort of stuff down on the description. Also, I think that's fantastic. So if you ever need something that's just easy to have hanging around, even this part here, so like I said, for me this is going to be perfect because I can clean my cab, which always gets dusty. The max air fan, the vent is always a nightmare taking that in and out, but just dust gets everywhere, especially in a van and all that sort of stuff. So this is going to be a game changer. The other thing I enjoy about this is like just when you're doing stuff in your garage or when you're working on your electrics or stuff, and you move stuff and you just want a quick clean up rather than having to get the cable extended hoover out, this is going to be an absolute game changer. So let me know what you think. For me, I'm so happy. It's the little things that count. So when you're charging as well and you plug it in, it is USB-C, which is compatible for most devices, and you get a little battery indicator light flashing as well, which is pretty cool. Matches the red. Cool.